Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. This is the ORSDA pet drinking fountain. Hey friends, okay, so here we have it, plugged in right here. You can see the little water level right here has a little light in there, so it illuminates that, so you can see that. There's almost no noise at all, so it's really quiet. So we'll go ahead and there's this one fountain here, and then you can just switch this out. Pretty much just pull this plug right out here. It's a nice thick rubber portion there, so it's not gonna break off. And then this one just goes back in there like that. Just kind of push it down into the hole there. Just like that. And that should fit. Right, like that, pops into place. We can plug it back in, and it has this little fountain feature. So both of them are pretty quiet. Don't really hear a lot of noise because one of our cats is really skittish and doesn't like a lot of noise, so that would like kind of scare them if it was like a lot too much. So that is cool. If we take this off here, and we have our little filter right here. Push this in and pull it upwards, just like that, and that can be changed out. But the water just runs down through that and out of that filter. Here's our little motor, just fits on there nicely. As you can see, it's super easy to clean. It has this little light here that turns on when we turn it on. But there's a little motor in here that needs to be, you take that out and clean that out once a week. But other than that, there's this. I'll switch that over to the other fountain one here, and just make sure that this little back part lines up with that. But it's really easy to put this in and out. As you can see, just turn that and then push it down and it locks right into place. Everything in here is like nice and convenient and easy to work with. No problem. I just gotta find my cat now and see if he is thirsty. So let's do that. All right, this is Boogie. He is our outgoing cat, and here he is at the water fountain. He, yeah, worked great for him. He didn't really spill any water or anything. Not afraid of it at all. And, yeah, it seemed like he enjoyed the water drinking experience here. So I wasn't able, we have two cats, but our other cat, he's very skittish of things, and he did not want to try out the water fountain. So, but I think he takes a while to, like, anything new around him, he takes a while to get used to it. So Boogie, on the other hand, is very outgoing, and they're completely opposite, but as you can see, this water bowl is very nice. He's not splashing water all over the place as he's drinking. And yeah, it's just a really easy to clean. If you need to like take it out, you can put it in the dishwasher. The filter is easy to put in and out. And all in all, just a great little water bowl for your cats here. And Boogie really seems to enjoy it also. He's a very good cat. So he's always quick to do a review also, so I think he's about done here, but it looks like it's cat approved.